Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to share with you a project or a painting job on one of the miniatures that I helped out to paint on details for my cousin. He was gifted on Christmas this highly detailed plastic miniature of a Demon of Khorne Bloodthirster. So this is one of the greater demons from the Warhammer universe. It can be played in 40k and also in Age of Sigmar. You can build him in three different variations. Yeah, a really large miniature, very highly detailed, and I was really interested to work on something big like this because mostly I'm working on my Space Marines, so they are quite small compared to this one. But I will show you the size comparisons, of course, later on. But before I start, so this is probably the second video that I'm trying out in my new studio setup. So I was able to get a nice background here and set up some lights and to basically to show you or be able to make more videos later in the evening when I have time after work and so on, and not to rely on the sun while filming in my normal studio. So let me show you the finished miniature. My cousin wanted a lava themed base, so I came out with this. So you have a plastic base, and these are real stones that are painted and shaded, and of course highlighted and applied some more details to it. So I'm no Chaos player, so I don't know anything about his rules and so on, but certainly it is a nice signature piece for collectors, or if you want just to have something nice on your shelf. So let me grab a few other miniatures to compare sizes with. Okay, so here is one of my largest Ultramarines miniatures I have. So this is a Contemptor Dreadnought. Then let's continue with a Firstborn Marine from my Dark Angels. Here is my Ultramarine Chaplain. And an unfinished Captain in Gravis armor, which is a Primaris Marine. So I hope the lighting was good. I will probably not know until I watch the finished video on my monitor, but yeah, I hope to upload this. And if you have any questions, then please share your experiences with this new background and lighting setup. And if you have any questions or if there are some kind of issues about the lighting and so on, let me please know so I can tweak the setup more to be more better or more perfect to give a most best possible rendering of the colors and so on. I hope the yeah, the focusing works. So yeah, okay. So this was the Bloodthirster from Games Workshop. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. And with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Nice.